Where y'all at? Oh, well, of course.
It's that Ava Kate down there. Are you playing, little girl?
He said, get.
Just waiting for them to play again.
She just about fell and thought it was funny. Here comes there, Aunt Dana. Here she comes. She's so sweet, Nina. Wish you could see her. I know, they were all in the shower.
You didn't ring the doorbell.
Can you hear her?
Okay.
I know.
She still wants to stand over
She
here,
thinks it's so funny.
but play.
No, when was he leaving? That's sweet, Daniel. You would just eat her up now, I'm telling you. She's such a
Now he just
doll,
has to
baby.
come back again.
Who you playing with,
Okay.
little sugar?
Yeah, just a big jerk. Be careful, honey. All right, bye.
Chair jerking his
I
boyfriend.
Yay! It's more fun standing with you.
Do you
Mom,
like
isn't it?
Aunt Dana?